68 years old.
Imagine this, a simple skincare product that aligns seamlessly with your daily routine and delivers astonishing results in just weeks. For many, the pursuit of effective skincare has felt like a futile journey marked by ineffective products and disappointing outcomes. Enter Outsmart Your Serum, a breakthrough in the beauty industry, promising millennials a hassle-free path to radiant, youthful skin. This revolutionary product reshapes the skincare landscape, turning dreams of flawless complexions into reality. The surge in popularity. As millennials prioritize efficacy and simplicity in their routines, the Outsmart Your Serum has become a cult favorite. It's more than a trend, it's a movement towards intelligent skincare. Globally, more than 85% of millennials are now focusing on minimal yet effective skincare rituals, which highlights a shift in consumer behavior towards products that deliver results without complications. Unveiling exceptional ingredients. A distinctive feature of the Outsmart Your Serum lies in its innovative composition. It combines natural extracts with cutting-edge science, providing a dual-action formula that enhances skin rejuvenation. Notably, hyaluronic acid, a key ingredient, can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, ensuring deep hydration and plumpness. This contributes to the serum's ability to visibly reduce fine lines and amplify skin glow. Real-world impact. A study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science reveals that consistent use of serums with active ingredients like hyaluronic acid visibly improves skin elasticity and firmness within 8 weeks. Such findings emphasize the importance of science-backed solutions, transforming them from mere skincare products into essential tools for skin health. Final words: embrace the future of skincare.
All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick Mikami. All right, there you go. These are your age group athletes.